channel. So today we're gonna be doing the Pani Puri challenge, but it's a little different. There's gonna be different items and yeah. So let's get started. These are the items. There are five of them, and my mom wrote them, so me and Honey don't know what they are. So we just have to pick. You just dropped them. Honey is gonna go first. Honey, pick one from all of your cards. Oh, and we have different cards because she's smaller than me. What if she gets, for example, something spicy? She can't eat it, so that's why.
I'll pick that.
That one? Okay, I'll pick that. Okay, Honey, open it. Honey's opening it, guys. Chocolate syrup! She got. You have to put it in here, okay?
I love it.
Okay, let's put it in. Give. I'll try.
Enough.
Okay, so now you eat it. I'm scared. Eat it. Bite it. Ow. Bite it, Honey. There. How is it? How does it taste? Good? Turn that to the camera. She said it was good, okay? Now it's my turn. Okay. Oh, I got milk. Actually, I'm not excited for this. I'd never tried milk in Pani Puri. And here's the milk. Time to make a hole. You like it? Actually? Okay, so I got my thing with it. And I'm gonna open the milk. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm only putting a little because I don't like milk.
So yummy. This milk on your hand. Good?
Okay, Honey, how did you like that round?
Good.
I didn't like it. Okay, pick a card. It's Honey's turn. She got curd.
Oh.
Yogurt. Sure.
No, that's yucky curd.
It's not gonna be yucky. Yeah, put it on the side. Okay.
I'm gonna take this one. Yeah.
Okay, is it in? Let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Put that back in. Now she's gonna eat it. Let's see how she likes it. Leave it there and eat it. Yeah, there. Eat the curd. You didn't eat any curd. Eat the curd. Lick the curd. How was it? Looks like she doesn't like it. Wait, do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I know. She's okay. Anyways, it's my turn to pick. Okay, so let's see what this one is. Oh, I got chocolate milkshake. Chocolate milkshake. Excited for this. Okay. Look at this, it's so tiny. Oh, thank you, I guess. That's enough for me. Okay.
Is it good?
Mm.
That is good.
It tastes like coffee, guys. Perfect. It actually tastes like coffee. Honey? Okay, pick. Oh, she got strawberry milkshake, guys.
Yeah, I don't like strawberry.
Why? It's strawberry milkshake. This I'll hold it. Okay, she's gonna put her strawberry milkshake in. Okay, should I? That's enough. Okay. Like me. Drink it. There. Yummy? Nice. Yummy, right? Yeah, she likes it. She loves it. Okay, while she eats, I'm gonna pick. Oh, be good. Oh, I got Nutella! I got Nutella! But you did have chocolate syrup. Oh, I got Nutella, guys.
I also want.
No, it's for me. Go in. Cream, you can
Where's the right off? Will you do it?
You'll eat it.
No.
I'm excited.
Give me. Give me. Give me.
Guys, with Nutella, wow, really good. Oh, slowly to first. Make a call first. I'll hold it for you. Weird. Oh, she got ketchup. Ketchup.
No, ketchup. But please don't. I think I know how to bite it.
Oh no, I will make it.
No!
Let me shake it. Let me shake it. Let me shake it. So it's good and nice. Okay. Open. Oh.
Oh.
Blech.
Oh, yeah.
I hate ketchup.
Why is it now?
You better put it for you.
Only a little bit. Nina!
I love it. Anyways,
No,
eat it. Eat. Bite. No, bite it. Oh, yeah, you got ketchup. I saw that. How is it?
Yeah.
That was bad.
It's nice, honey.
Okay, I need tissue. I need tissue.
I don't want.
Then don't eat. Even though you're supposed to finish it. Okay guys, it's my turn and I'm very excited. I'm gonna put this. Guys, it's green chili sauce! 28 calories. Give me.
The last one, I don't know what the last one.
Okay, no, that's too much. Look. Okay, whatever. Is it good?
You have chubby cheeks.
I have chubby cheeks. Oh, perfect.
I croaked.
And it's bad.
I know that.
Guys, it's really bad. I'm gonna go away back. I'll be back. Okay, guys, this is the last round on that. I hated that last round. It was really bad. Anyways, your turn.
Got it.
It's the last one. not water. It's pani puri water. Okay.
Yeah.
She always eats plain with it, so I think she will like it. And now eat. You look good. Very good. Yummy? Okay, while she's doing that, I'm gonna open my last card. Okay, time to open. Yeah. Guys, I got whipped cream. Eee. I can take it. But it looks like yogurt or mayonnaise. But it's not.
I'll eat.
No, it's whipped cream. Oh.
Penny, don't hit me.
It's good, guys. Okay, guys, this challenge was really fun. Some items were really good and some items were bad, and I didn't like it. But that's the end of the video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to turn on those post notification bells. Bye!